Okay, next. A group of hikers on the Pacific Crest Trail easterly with an easterly magnetic declination of 17 degrees uses a magnetic compass to sight in on a distant feature. What is the true azimuth if the observed constant angle is 42 degrees? Okay? So, una, we can set our true north, no, as this one, true north. Okay? Tapos, sabi niya, meron daw easterly na magnetic declination. So, ibig sabihin, yung magnetic north natin, somewhere dito. Magnetic north. Na meron siyang declination na equal sa 17 degrees. Okay? Tapos, what is the true azimuth? So, pag sinabi natin true azimuth, yung angle mo is referred from the true north. No? So, kung ang observed angle daw gamit ang isang magnetic compass. Pag sinabi mo kasi magnetic compass, ang reference nitong compass na to is from the magnetic north, no? So, ang angle daw na na-observe is 42 degrees. Kaya lang, ang ano dito sa question na to is hindi niya nilinaw kung saan papunta yung 42 degrees. O pwede kasi na sa east, o pwede na sa west, yung 42 degrees. Kung sa east, eto yan. Kung sa west, eto naman yon. Okay? So, hindi malinaw. Kaya kailangan na natin mag-trial and error dito. So, kung halimbawang sa sa west, halimbawa yung 42 degrees. Okay? So, yung true bearing natin, ito yon, true bearing will be 42 degrees minus yung 17. And that is 25 degrees. Okay? Kung nasa west, no? Yung direction nitong tinutukoy niya na 42. Kaso, parang wala sa choices. Kaya, ang gagawin natin, instead, ang iisipin na lang natin is sa east siya nagsukat. No? So, ito naman yung 42 degrees. Ay, sorry. Yung 42 degrees I referred from the magnetic, na magnetic north. Ay, kasi magnetic bearing yan. So, ngayon, ang true bearing natin will be this. So, in this scenario, ang true bearing natin will be equal to 42 degrees plus 17, no? And that gives us 59 degrees. And this one, ang ibig sabihin ito, nasa east yung direction natin. So this is our correct answer kasi yun yung nasa choices. Okay, pero dapat talaga binabanggit yung kung saang direction papunta yung na-observe na angle. Okay?